Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti G37 key fob battery. This simple process can be done at home in just a few minutes. You will need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common and inexpensive item. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool to help open the fob without damage. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, locate the small release tab on the back of your key fob. Slide this tab and pull out the physical emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot or notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces down. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing down, just like the old one. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them together until you hear them click and snap firmly into place. Next, slide the physical emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.